Imagine taking a full-size Mitsubishi Expedition camper deep into the wilderness, far away from crowded campgrounds, hotels, and busy highways. The 2027 Mitsubishi Expedition camper is designed around exactly that idea, a vehicle that combines serious off-road capability with the comfort and practicality of a mobile home. From the outside, this camper immediately looks ready for adventure. Its rugged body, high ground clearance, large all-terrain tires, protective cladding, and elevated stance give it a commanding presence. The front end has a tough, modern appearance with bold lighting and a wide grille that make the vehicle look more like an expedition machine than a traditional RV. Large side mirrors, roof equipment, exterior storage compartments, and a high-mounted spare tire add to the adventure-focused design. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The 2027 Mitsubishi Expedition camper is imagined as a compact living space that makes long-distance travel much more comfortable. Depending on the configuration, the cabin can offer sleeping areas, a compact kitchen, storage cabinets, dining space, and a practical bathroom setup. The interior would likely focus on durable materials because this vehicle is built for environments where luxury has to survive dust, mud, and rough roads. Modern technology can also play a major role. Expect a digital dashboard, large infotainment display, smartphone connectivity, navigation, multiple USB charging points, and cameras designed to make maneuvering this large vehicle easier. A dedicated camper control system could monitor battery power, water levels, lighting temperature, and other onboard functions. And then there is the performance. An expedition camper needs more than a powerful engine. It needs dependable traction and durability. The 2027 Mitsubishi concept would make the most sense with a capable four-wheel drive system, rugged suspension, strong low-speed torque, and selectable driving modes for mud, gravel, sand, and rocky terrain. With proper off-road tires and sufficient ground clearance, this camper could potentially take its occupants far beyond where conventional motorhomes can comfortably travel. Another important feature is self-sufficiency. An expedition vehicle could be equipped with auxiliary batteries, solar panels, freshwater storage, efficient lighting, and additional fuel capacity. That means travelers could spend several days away from civilization without constantly searching for electrical hookups or camping facilities. As for price, the final figure would depend heavily on whether Mitsubishi actually brings an expedition camper like this to production and what equipment it includes. A fully equipped four-wheel drive camper could command a significant premium over a conventional Mitsubishi SUV or truck. So for now, any 2027 pricing should be considered an estimate rather than an official figure. What makes the 2027 Mitsubishi Expedition camper so exciting is the freedom it represents. It is not simply a vehicle for getting from one destination to another. It is a potential home on wheels, built for people who want to explore farther and stay longer. If Mitsubishi turns this idea into reality, would you choose it for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming vehicles, futuristic campers, and off-road machines.